The maraca is a handcrafted instrument made of three parts: a dry fruit named higuera, which acts like a box of resonance, seeds to shake inside the fruit, and a wood stick that seals the seeds inside the higuera and serves as grip. In order to be able to craft this instrument from our homes, we will use materials from our surroundings, maybe from the kitchen. Let's start with a container. Containers may have different forms. Select from different containers. I suggest the ones with round shapes. Then, bring to the workspace a half cup of beans. In order to seal the container with the beans inside, let's use tape and scissors. If the maraca could sing, this will be its language.
Cha chucucha 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 chucucha.
Handcrafting the maraca. First, open the lid of your bowl or bottle. Make sure that the container is clean and ready to be used. Pour the half cup of beans inside the container. Close the container lid and seal it with tape. If needed, use a scissor to cut the tape. Feel free to decorate your maraca. Your homemade maraca is ready. Now you can play, sing, and enjoy your instrument. Can you sing the maraca language? Try it.
Cha chucucha 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 chucucha.